Ça, c'est un tapis de soie de Sabine de Gainsbourg, qui est une designer très connue.
This is made by hand.
Oh, made by hand.
Yeah.
Silk. Okay.
Yeah. Guillaume offered it to me for my birthday because I'm crazy about carpets.
Silk. Carpets. Oh, really? But we can step on it?
Yeah,
is it okay?
Yeah. Here in France, we step on them.
Okay,
all
right.
We don't remove shoes.
Okay.
Which is a disaster because it's
yeah,
really
I know.
silk,
It gets
it's
dirty.
not-
Yeah. Okay.
나 밟지를 못하겠어.
This was rebuilt by a compagnon, and it's like ancient.
No, it's a new one. C'est un tailleur de pierre.
But,
It's new, this one.
but
C'est
내가 본
notre.
벽난로 중에 제일 예뻐.
진짜 제일 커요, 그리고.
Yeah.
It's very big.
Yeah.
But we have big family, you know.
Yeah.
When we have reunions
Yes,
here,
yes.
we're like
We are 20,
20 people, so
Oh.
big.
Good
And look, you also have the
The party.
because we have lots of parties.
아, 오케이. 저기
저
지금
오자마자 저걸
밀어볼.
We remove the furniture and we have look like.
Yeah, so you guys dance here? Dance here?
We had this birthday here. We were like 100 people here outside.
Wow.
We fire.
Yeah.
Party people.
Yes, party people also. Yeah, family and party people.
Yeah.
Do you want to see the other?
Yes,
one?
please. Another living room.
Another living room, yeah.
Another living room.
Salle à manger.
어, 너무 예뻐.
This is where we're gonna eat.
Yeah.
Wow.
Flowers, because since we are, you know,
Flowers,
florists,
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I love flowers. I love.
Et on a tout fait refaire, bah, comme on est beaucoup dans les fleurs, vous remarquerez que dans la maison,
근데 의자도
il y a
너무 예뻐.
énormément de références aux fleurs. Donc ça, on l'a fait refaire, on a fait
Ah.
tous les tissus il n'y a pas longtemps.
정말
Voilà.
꽃나무들이.
Donc on a toujours des références.
Ça, oui, aux couleurs de flower.
Voilà, couleurs de...
확실히 여기저기 꽃이 많아요.
꽃들이.
네.